Keep your paw off the pool.
Alright, guys, so here we are again. We're going to do some Old Smoky Moonshine. 17% fucking alcohol. What the fuck? Banana something. Banana.
By volume, though, and we have no volume. So.
Well, yeah, the volume has been turned down.
It's nice and warm over
Banana
here.
pudding. Cream moonshine.
Honey. See, they have watermelon bay.
What? She bought
Alright,
that
well,
today.
let's do this. You guys
Okay, grab your
get somewhere where
I don't
you...
want to get up because then when I get down, I'm going to be cold.
You got to get somewhere where you guys can be seen. Get over there where you can be seen in the
Well,
creek.
I'm seeing right now.
Get in the creek.
I'm in the creek that I brought up.
Alright, guys.
Mine's got a blue one. Oh
Thank
my
you.
gosh, I'm gonna die.
Blue now.
Oh, you'll be fine.
Oh,
Alright, guys. Sip.
Cheers, banana. Who's that? Tastes like banana pudding. Like really pudding.
Oh my
That's
God.
delicious.
Get me a bottle of that shit.
I don't
Go
like
on
that.
moonshine.com and
Hey!
get me a bottle of that.
It's actually not too bad for. It's not very.
That was very good.
That's very banana-y.
That banana in knee. You got a banana on your knee?
I gotta watch myself. I might become annoying. Annoying?
Load it. Alright, guys. If life isn't interesting, make it interesting. Winners never quit. And yeah, we are setting up a pool in the garage. What
No, it's
the?
a hot tub.
Hot tub. It'll be a hot tub after it hots up.
It's going to take a minute or two, women.
Alright. Later, guys.